is the tightness. You love the tight, yeah.
We just made our elastic waistbands. All we did was go through and measure the waist size, and we went through and threaded it. Erin, you cannot be serious.
Because she's smiling at me. I told you I'm not cut out for this. He like him, ignore us.
And when you do it, you want to make sure that it's snug enough so you got some extra, whatever this is, some extra elastic.
Extra this. I call it extra this.
Let me show you.
She got it. Look.
Okay.
Oh, look. You know how my camera works.
See how you go through and you just measure it.
Mine's fit. I'm not going to do that to y'all.
Make sure it's snug enough so that when you put it on, it doesn't slide. But yeah, we're just going to show y'all the...
I got some heels.
We're going to just show y'all the process. Alright, so what you want to do is decide on how long you want your tutu to be. So what I'm going to do is start where my waist is, and I'm going to measure down in inches how long I want it to be. Then I'm going to take that length and fold it in half. So for an example, from my waist all the way down to the length that I want the skirt to be, it's going to be 13 inches. So I'm going to take 13 and add 13 on top of that. So each of my strips are going to be 26 inches.